It is a cold, rainy night here in Puebla. Everyone that I was with today went out to some bar, but I decided to stay in to get some work done and, you know, chill. I was kind of dark. Ugh. But I kind of wanted to stay in, like, you know, to practice self-control and that. But now I'm walking out to go get some food. I don't usually eat this late. It's like 9:30. I started my first meal was around 1, so I'm like half an hour late. But yeah, I need some food, man. I'm starving. I didn't really get a lot to eat today. But the crazy thing is, I'm not supposed to be eating this late, but I found 350 pesos on the floor. So all the tips that I've been giving out has come back to me, man. Gotta have that abundant mindset. So I'm grateful. All glory to God. You know? Yeah, I'm in the Zocalo right now. I'm not trying to get street food, you know? I could eat like a torta or like a burrito. Yeah, but not tacos or that corn thing they eat here a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna go find me some food, and when I do, when I get to the restaurant, well, a suitable restaurant, I'll check back in with you guys. Buenas. No más comida. Gracias. Alright, so yeah, I'm in the Zocalo right now, but there is no food. Everything closes so early. That's why I love me my New York, man. That's why I love me my New York. It could never be. It's only 9:30 going into 10, probably 10 o'clock already, and everything's already closed. That doesn't make any sense. But yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna find something suitable. I know I'll be able to find a McDonald's, but I ain't gonna need that. This place is open, but they have music. So I might get that to go if I cannot find anything else, because I won't be able to record in there. But yeah, I'm gonna keep walking around until I find. Oh, I just had my lunch at this spot. Comal. It was decent. I've never had like a black taco before, but I tried it and it was alright. I had not a taco, quesadilla with the shell. It was black. I don't know what it's made of. I should have asked what it was made of. I'm gonna go up this way. Yeah, so check back in a bit. Hola, buenas noches. ¿Cómo está? ¿Todo bien? Una torta, por favor. Una torta.
No, son pelonas.
Okay.
Acá está.
Okay.
Esto lo que tengo. Estas son las pelonas.
Okay, buena. Sí. So una pan con pollo. No pollo.
Una pelona. ¿Para acá?
Sí, para acá. I'm sorry. So we got like chicken. How's your food? It's good?
Mm-hmm. Different names, but it's like a torta.
It's like a torta. Yeah, that's what I thought it was, a torta.
But the oil?
Okay. Is it spicy? Is it spicy?
It's because the green sauce is spicy, but not really.
Not really spicy? Okay, cool. I'm not really a big fan of spicy, but I'm gonna try it out.
So Probably the green one is the good one for you.
The what? The
The
green
green.
one? Okay. What meat do you have? What meat is that?
Pelona.
Is it pork? Pork? Pig?
No, beef.
Okay, beef, okay. Did she already make one? Can you ask her to give me a beef one, please?
This is the only
Is the only one? Okay, cool.
one I think so.
Okay, cool.
I just asked for la pelona.
La Pelona, alright.
And this is
Thank you. Yeah, so I'm gonna get one of those. Hopefully it's decent. So I just got this. It looked like a bake with chicken, lechuga, and some mole at the bottom. Let's take this first bite. It's a bake. I don't know, like Sanisha's gonna know what I'm talking about. Like fried dough.
y ahora creo que había cajón de olla.
It's really good. Really, really good. $30. So mi español es basura. En cuenta es dinero en la suelo. So todo para ti. Alright? Sí. Gracias. Hasta luego. Alright. Gracias, señor. Sí. Gracias, señor. So yeah, that was decent. Nice little something light. The bad thing is the bread was fried, and I tried to avoid fried foods, but it was really, really good. Not too heavy. So yeah, thanks for sticking along this long. I'm gonna head back to the hostel, go finish up what little work I was doing, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces. ¿Cómo está, señor? Una churro con caramelo.
¿Un churro con canela o con cajeta?
Canela, por favor.
Un churrito con canela, por
Sí,
favor.
gracias.
Mira, 7 pesitos. Ahora hay un churro, 7 pesos.
¿Es una? Dame dos, por favor.
No me ayudes.
Gracias, señor.
Sí.
Gracias. I thought it was over, but I'm gonna get myself a churro. Hello. Say hi. Gracias, señor. Gracias. All right. Give me pound.
Bye.
No, I'm saying. Yes, señor.